If you've ever forgotten to defrost dinner, rushed home hungry, and ended up ordering takeout again, you already know how frustrating everyday cooking can be. It's not that you don't want to cook, it's that life doesn't always cooperate with your plans. Today we're taking a closer look at the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker 33765, a slow cooker designed for busy families, working professionals, and anyone who wants a more hands-off way to cook real meals at home. What makes this one stand out is its ability to go from frozen to fully cooked in a single process, which is something most slow cookers don't even attempt. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the design feels practical and familiar, which is exactly what you want from a slow cooker. The black exterior is simple and blends into most kitchens without drawing attention. The stoneware crock is thick and solid, and it has that weight that makes it feel durable and long-lasting. In everyday use, that translates to even heat distribution, which is important for slow cooking. The glass lid fits securely, letting you check on your food without releasing too much heat, and the overall build feels like something designed for years of regular use rather than occasional meals. The controls are straightforward, and that's one of its biggest strengths. Instead of overwhelming you with options, it gives you flexible programming that actually makes sense. You can choose your temperature, set a countdown timer, or just let it run manually. The display is easy to read, and the touch controls respond without feeling overly sensitive or complicated. It's the kind of interface you can figure out quickly without constantly referring back to the manual. But the real highlight here is the defrost function. In real-life use, this is more useful than it might sound at first. You can take frozen meat, put it directly into the cooker, and let it safely defrost and cook in one cycle. That removes one of the most common barriers to cooking at home, which is simply remembering to prepare ingredients in advance. It's not a feature you'll use every single day, but when you need it, it can genuinely save your dinner plans. Performance is exactly what you'd expect from a solid slow cooker, with a few added conveniences. It doesn't rush things, and that's the point. Meals cook slowly and evenly, which helps develop deeper flavors in soups, stews, and roasts. You're not constantly checking or stirring, and once it's done, it automatically switches to a warm setting. That set it and forget it approach works well if you're out during the day or just don't want to monitor your cooking. In terms of daily use, it fits easily into a routine. You can prep in the morning, set your timer, and come back to a ready meal later in the day. The noise level is basically non-existent compared to pressure cookers, which makes it less intrusive in a home environment. Cleaning is also straightforward. The stoneware crock lifts out easily, and since it's dishwasher safe, you're not stuck scrubbing after a long day. Even the exterior wipes clean without much effort. Of course, there are a few limitations. Slow cooking, by nature, isn't fast, so if you're looking for quick meals, this isn't the right tool. The defrost feature is helpful, but it doesn't replace proper planning for every type of recipe. It also doesn't offer the versatility of multi-cookers that can pressure cook or sauté, so you're getting a more focused appliance rather than an all-in-one solution. Compared to something like a multi-cooker such as an Instant Pot, this Hamilton Beach model trades versatility for simplicity. It doesn't try to do everything, but what it does reliably. And for many people, that simplicity is actually an advantage. You're not navigating multiple modes or settings. You're just cooking food the way it's meant to be cooked, slowly and consistently. So who is this best for? If you're feeding a family, hosting occasionally, or just want a dependable way to prepare meals without standing in the kitchen, this is a great fit. It's especially useful if your schedule is unpredictable and you need something that can adapt without constant attention. On the other hand, if you prefer fast cooking or want a single appliance to handle multiple cooking styles, a multi-cooker might be a better option. At the end of the day, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker 33765 focuses on doing one thing well, making home cooking easier and more reliable without adding complexity. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your kitchen setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.